Alright, this is a demo of my dash cam wiring. So I have a dash cam right here, cables go over there, and there's another dash cam for the rear. The car is completely turned off right now, but as you can see, it's getting power and it's actually in parking mode. Let's look behind the mirror. So this cable is power, and I just kind of shoved it in there under the plastic. Usually cars either have enough of a gap, or you can just pry it open a little bit and shove something in there. I had a little bit of tape there, and for this tape I had to find a special like thermal resistant tape so it doesn't fall off in the summer from the heat, because it has been normal tape. So I have one wire for power going there. Oh, and this wire is the rear camera. So you can see it goes there. So it's sticking out. I still need to manage it. And it goes through here, and that will show how it goes through there on the other side. But it's very well hidden. It actually goes behind the seat over there. And I didn't mount it to the window because it's a convertible and you can actually take the top down. Oh, and I had to do a rotation in software for this. Anyway, let's get to the power. So it goes there, and let me show. So on Mazda, it's pretty easy to pop it open. Here you can see stock car wiring, and here's my wire going through all the way down. And I did on the left side because that's where, or on the driver's side, because that's where my fuse box is. So it goes in there, I threaded it in, and it goes through the plastic. I didn't have to make any holes. It goes to the fuse box. It looks kind of weird because I got these things. Let me demonstrate. So this is a jumper sort of thing, or a splitter. It plugs into your fuse, replaces your normal fuse with the first one, and adds a wire. And here's another fuse for that wire. So this one is so this is connected to the battery. No, accessory. So this is only on when the car is on. I can't ever find it to plug it in. And the way I found the slot was just by probing with a multimeter and seeing which ones supply 12 volts when the car is on. And here's another one. This is a battery, and I wrote 12 volt constant, whatever fuse numbers. It's usually a yellow wire, so it's battery. This one is always on. This one is only on when the car is on. This way the car knows when you're parked and not started. And that's pretty much it. It's very important that you have a way to know how much voltage there is, or the camera knows, or there's some other circuit, because it will keep running till it runs out of battery, till your car runs out of battery, and you'll have to jump start it. This camera has a circuit inside which can actually measure the voltage. Most of the cameras don't have that, and you can run the battery or connect the external circuit. All right, that's it. Thank you.